So, in case you guys didn't know, the other day I was sick due to an illness, and I was on some medication that was helping me with that, and I felt like it would be a good time to do bike maintenance. My roommates weren't home, so I decided to do it by myself, and I tried to get the bike up on a rear stand by myself, which almost worked until the bike tipped over. So if you're going to do bike maintenance, make sure you have at least two people, one person to hold the bike, the other person to put it on the rear stand. These right here are going to be my new temporary fairings, depending on how well they work out. They are from a Chinese company based in Hong Kong, but they have a storage facility in California. So these actually got to my house pretty damn quick. I ordered them on Saturday, and today is Saturday, so about a week. Price was nice too. It was only about $350 for an entire set. I don't know all what it includes, but hopefully it includes everything that I need. I'm just going to check out the quality of these pieces real quick. Check out the quality of the paint. Yeah, like hopefully they look nice, because I like how they're all individually wrapped and stuff, because it's a good sign that it's not going to be as damaged during shipping. Well, you know what? That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Like, I'm looking for flaws in the paint. I should probably turn on the light. Looking for flaws in the paint, and that quite honestly is a really good paint job, if there is even a paint job. Might just be the plastic. No, there's a paint job. There's a UV coating on it, I can tell. I can't really tell, but it said so in the description, so damn. That paint is nice. Can probably get a nice little polish on there. Okay. I'm going to check out like one more piece, and then I'm going to take it to the motorcycle shop, since where they have my bike. I'm just going to have them install this. Yeah, after I tipped it over, the bike would not start, so yeah, that was a problem. They got it fixed though, so damn. Okay, so there's some scratching here. Oh no, that just rubbed right off. I guess there isn't any scratches. Very, very minuscule. Oh, there's a little, I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a little dent in the paint, and a little other dent right here. Little scratches. Honestly, not a big deal at all. These fairings actually turned out a lot better than what I thought they were going to. A lot better. And this is some solid plastic too. Like, it's not, I'm squeezing it right now and it's not flexing that much, which is good. It looks like this is it's not glued in, it's injection molded, which if you're looking for fairings, you should definitely go with injection molded fairings. Or just go with OEM. The reason why I went with these is OEM is probably about $2,000 to $3,000. These were about $350. So if you're not getting much more for the price, why not go with the cheaper one, you know? So I'm gonna put this in the packaging, tape it up, and then take it over to Sense, have them install it for me. So this is how the aftermarket Chinese fairings turned out. So the only things that were replaced were this front fairing right here that goes from right here to right here, and then this whole front part and the windscreen, and then the two side fairings. So this one right here and this one as well. So durability, I've been riding it for the past I want to say, I got it out of the shop April 1st. It's now about like April 19th. So I've been riding it for a good 2 weeks, and the durability is pretty damn good. Taking it up to like 140 miles per hour ish. I can't say exactly how much I went because my speedometer's off, you know, so I could have just taken it up to like 70 miles per hour. I don't know. But yeah, durability's good. April 1st, same day that I picked it up out of the shop, I ended up downing it after 15 minutes of riding it, stalled out on a hill. So there was some damage. It scraped up the paint quite a bit. There's actually a crack right here. But, you know, it happens. Shit happens. Damage was not really that bad at all. There was some scratches in the paint, but what I was told to do, you can kind of see it in the light right here, how it's kind of messed up a little bit. But what I was told to do by Sense is to cover up the white scratches, is to get some gloss black paint and just dab it with a Q-tip. So like I sprayed some spray paint on some cardboard and then Q-tipped it, and it turned out pretty well. I have new fairings coming in the mail. Hopefully they'll be here sometime in May. You can see some more damage right here. The brake lever broke, and this foot peg broke. Yeah, that it happens, you know. That's what probably saved the fairings as much as it did, that those things broke and not anything else. But those are coming in the mail. They should be here tomorrow to get replaced. Yeah, overall it looks pretty good. Fitment of the fairings, it took about like 8 hours to get the fairings off and back on. So part of that was the fitment. The fitment was not good. I'd say it was like 60% close to the actual like OEM fairings. So there's a lot of prying and stuff. There's a few gaps right here. There's a big gap right here. Not that big, it's a little gap, but it's a gap. And then there's also a smaller gap right here. This side turned out pretty well, but there's a gap right here as well. Yeah, so that there's a gap right there, and then there's a pretty big gap back here. So the fitment's not the greatest, but you know, they're $350 for a set on eBay, and it's to be expected, you know, for what you're paying. If I would have went with OEM, just the side panels alone are about $500 a piece. So yeah, overall, would I buy it again? If I didn't have the money to spend on better aftermarket fairings or OEM, of course. I didn't have the money to spend on OEM. I would go with them again because honestly, they're holding up pretty well. It was pretty good construction. Ooh, damn. That was weird. That kind of popped out a little bit. That scared me. Yeah, but hopefully the new fairings that I have coming in the mail are better. I paid probably about double what I paid for those. So yeah, overall I give ZMXT fairings from eBay probably a good solid 6.5 out of 10. Yeah, so if you don't have the money and you need new fairings, eBay is a good place to go. If you have a little bit more money, I'd recommend either probably monsterfairings.com. They have the most reviews. They're the most popular, and from what I've seen, they have the best quality. I have some fairings coming from them that I'll do a review on. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day. Bye.